How to buy Kaspa cryptocurrency, completely free tutorial. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to the channel, drop a like, and share the video. Open up the wallet that you would like to buy Kaspa, and in this case, I'm using the MetaMask wallet. And now we're going to send it over to this website called simpleswap.io. As you are here, you want to click on this icon to change the cryptocurrency. Then type in what you would like to send or to swap, in this case to Kaspa, and then type in KAS. And over here, click on Kaspa. Now you can even double tap here and edit the amounts that you are happy or satisfied with. Then if you're happy with this, click on exchange, and then where it says enter the wallet address, you want to paste the address that you would like to receive Kaspa. And now as you want to see, you want to go up over here, copy up the address, click, and then right click or paste the address down below. Now in this case, you need to access to a Kaspa wallet. I'm using this free online wallet called Kasware, and as you can see, you can even create an account, and then you can copy the receiving address that you want to paste the Kaspa address like so. And then in this case, if you want a refund or something happens to Kaspa, you can even add your Ethereum address like so. You can even choose to add your email. Now we're going to click on create and then exchange.